MBA crash course on Business Process Management and Automation. Business Process Management, BPM, is a discipline focused on optimizing and managing business processes to improve efficiency, effectiveness, and agility within an organization. Automation, on the other hand, involves the use of technology to automate manual tasks and streamline processes. Now, let's explore some key aspects of business process management and automation. Process mapping and analysis. Identifying and mapping out existing processes to understand their flow, dependencies, and pain points. Analyzing these processes to identify areas for improvement and automation. Process standardization. Establishing standardized procedures and guidelines to ensure consistency and efficiency across the organization. Standardization helps streamline operations and facilitates automation. Process optimization. Analyzing and redesigning processes to eliminate bottlenecks, reduce waste, and improve overall efficiency. This involves identifying non-value-added activities and finding ways to streamline or eliminate them. Workflow automation. Implementing technology solutions to automate manual tasks, reduce human error, and improve process efficiency. This can involve using workflow management systems, robotic process automation, RPA, or other automation tools. Integration and system alignment. Ensuring that various systems and applications within the organization are aligned and integrated to support smooth process flow and data exchange. Integration allows for seamless automation and information sharing. Continuous improvement. Establishing a culture of continuous improvement where processes are regularly evaluated, monitored, and refined. This ensures that processes remain efficient and effective over time. Change management. Managing the organizational change associated with implementing new processes and automation technologies. This involves communication, training, and ensuring employee buy-in. Performance measurement and monitoring. Defining key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure process performance and track improvements. Regular monitoring allows for timely intervention and adjustment. Customer-centric approach. Designing and optimizing processes with a focus on delivering value to the customer. Understanding customer needs and expectations helps in designing processes that align with customer satisfaction. Risk management. Identifying and mitigating risks associated with process automation, such as data security, system failures, or compliance issues. Implementing appropriate controls and safeguards is essential for effective risk management. Collaboration and communication. Encouraging collaboration and communication across different departments and teams to foster process improvement and automation initiatives. This helps in breaking down silos and promoting a holistic approach. Scalability and flexibility. Designing processes and automation solutions that can scale with organizational growth and adapt to changing business requirements. Flexibility allows for agility in response to market dynamics. In summary, business process management and automation are crucial for organizations to optimize their operations, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. By mapping and analyzing processes, standardizing procedures, implementing automation technologies, and continuously improving, organizations can achieve higher productivity, better customer satisfaction, and a competitive edge in the market. In the realm of business, where efficiency is key, business process management is the melody, with automation as its harmonizing tune. Organizations find their operations in a boon. Processes mapped and analyzed with care. Identifying gaps and burdens to bear. Standardization paves the path to success. Streamlining operations, no room for excess. Optimization comes next, the conductor's baton. Removing bottlenecks, making processes drawn. With every tweak and refinement made, efficiency soars, like a symphony played. Automation takes center stage, a technological feat. Tasks once manual, now swift and discreet. Workflow systems and robotic prowess. Reduce errors, improve speed, and allow progress. Integration aligns systems, a harmonious blend. Data flowing seamlessly, processes on the mend. Continuous improvement, an ongoing symphony. Adapting, evolving, in perfect harmony. Change management leads the chorus of transformation. Communication and training, a vital foundation. Performance measured, monitored with precision. KPIS is guiding the symphony to its mission. Customer centricity, a melody so sweet. Processes designed to make customers repeat. Understanding needs, exceeding expectations. Delighting customers with harmonious reverberations. Risk management plays its part, a vigilant guard. Safeguarding data, compliance unmarred. Collaboration and communication, a duet so grand. Breaking down silos, across the entire land. Scalability and flexibility, the finale unfolds. Processes adaptable, as new stories are told. With each crescendo, the business thrives. Achieving success as the symphony survives. Now, as the symphony comes to an end, let the knowledge and skills transcend. In the realm of business, let it be known, business process management has truly grown. Song. Verse 1. In the world of business, where processes align, there's a symphony of efficiency, so divine. Business process management takes the lead, guiding organizations to succeed. Pre-chorus. From mapping and analyzing, to optimization, standardization and process automation. With every note, they find their way, creating harmony in the work they portray. Chorus. Business process management, the conductor of the show. Automation is the rhythm, making processes flow. Collaboration and integration, a symphony of delight, driving organizations to new heights. Verse 2. With automation tools, tasks are streamlined, manual efforts reduced, like a well-oiled machine. Workflow systems and robotic grace accelerate productivity at a faster pace. Pre-chorus. Integration harmonizes, systems intertwine, data exchange seamless, a symphony so fine. Continuous improvement, a perpetual sound, refining processes, always gaining ground. Chorus. Business process management, the conductor of the show. Automation is the rhythm, making processes flow. Collaboration and integration, a symphony of delight, driving organizations to new heights. Bridge. Change management orchestrates the transition. Communication and training, the perfect rendition. Performance measurement, monitoring the score, keeping track of success, forevermore. Chorus. Business process management, the conductor of the show. Automation is the rhythm, making processes flow. Collaboration and integration, a symphony of delight, driving organizations to new heights. Outro. With scalability and flexibility, they adapt and evolve. Business processes resolved, as problems they solve. In the world of business, this symphony prevails. Business process management, the anthem that never fails. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 79893335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.